This guide will help you navigate the process of requesting payouts on Amazon Prime. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account. Start by visiting the Amazon website and logging into your account using your email and password. Make sure you have the correct account that is linked to your Prime membership. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, locate the account and list option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then select your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Access the Payouts section. In your account settings, look for the Payments or Payouts section. This is where you can manage your payment methods and request payouts. Click on the appropriate link to proceed. Step 4. Choose your payout method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Submit your payout requests. After selecting your payout method, follow the prompts to submit your payout request. Review all the details to confirm they are correct before finalizing your request. You should receive a confirmation once your request is submitted. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Amazon Prime. Make sure to check your email for any updates regarding your payout status.